Walking through the woods. You can see many grasses. Oh, what was that? What was that? Whoa. Yo, what the heck was that? Oh snap, man. Yeah, get out of here. No, there's nowhere to go. Oh, what was that? Oh, yo, that tree just moved. Yo, man, this tree just moved. Oh, man, there's nowhere else to go. Crap, they warned me about those they warned me about them coyotes out here.
Cock.
The heck?
Cocky freaking doodle doo.
Oh, what was that? There's some hedges. Oh, this tree's coming towards me. No lie, this is scary crap, man. There's a tree walking. Whoa, what was that?